My name is Robert Kraft. I'm in the restoration industry, and my company is Restoration One. What I do is I deal with water damage. So if your toilet overflowed, if your sink overflowed, if you had a water line burst, if you had water throughout the home, if you had mold in the home, and then we deal with smoke damage as well. With Vivial, I have to say it's been a fantastic experience. I didn't understand anything about the marketing or what was going on, to going to Vivial, where they explain in layman's terms what's happening, where my company's ranking, where I need to look in order to do things, and things that I can do to help my own company with their assistance. I would say the biggest impact on my business is actually getting my name out there. I had a previous marketing company that I felt like I was a number, and not a lot of people would reach out to me or even ask me how anything was going, and it's nice to work with Vivial. I have monthly check-ins. I don't feel like a number, I feel like something special with the company. The thing that I like the most about using the Vivial marketing platform is that it's all there. I don't have to search for anything. They're all in nice tabs, and Vivial has kind of opened up the curtain so I can see behind of what's going on and be able to help my own business with their help. It makes it easy for me because I don't want to learn more about marketing. I want to just be able to do what I have to do.